child, there was a wind in the air affair. I was quite a lumber to my mother, and my father, no one ever cared. When I thought I knew a dark place, I thought I'd never climb out. When you dropped the light down from outer space, and you put me up into the clouds. You had me in the palm of your hand. Can you understand? Can you understand? Can you understand? Yeah, you can.